Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for mugs? In this video, we will look at some of the 3 best printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000. Get stunning photos without any border with the Expression Photo HD XP 15000 wireless wide format printer, which produces borderless photos of stunning quality. Epson XP 15000 sublimation printer is the ideal choice for mug printing because it permits you to complete print assignments promptly as well as cost-effectively. Among today's best-selling sublimation printers is the Epson XP 15000. It is energy efficient and waste-free. Among the EcoTank series of sublimation printers, the Epson XP 15000 is currently the fastest and best-performing sublimation printer. Epson's EcoTank ET line has just added this model. This sublimation printer is a great option for you to purchase for your next mug printing project because of its flexible paper handling capabilities. This dye ink machine creates a variety of designs, such as a blend of 6 Claria dyes, which can give your print a dazzling appearance when applied skillfully. Additionally, it is capable of producing high output with minimal waste. When I tested my business charts and infographics, they looked beautiful when printed in other publications. I did not notice any visible bands were smearing on the fillings or shades. Hairlines were flawless, and colors were vivid. Ink savings up to 90% and energy efficiency are just a few ways Epson XP 15000 can provide your business with a financial advantage. Wireless printing together with hands-free, voice-activated printing combined with Wi-Fi enables you to print anything that you need. Number 2. Epson Stylus C88 Plus Inkjet Printer Color. In this review, we'll be taking a look at the Stylus C88 Plus, the top-of-the-line model from the Epson series. Epson C88 Plus Inkjet Printer is a great asset to any business, whether it is established or you are just starting out. The Stylus C88 Plus printer is a popular choice for home and office use due to its excellent design and affordable price. The C88 Plus Inkjet printer runs on the CISS system. Having printed several stacks of paper in only a few months, I have never experienced any difficulties. It offers 120 sheets of input capacity with a single tray and is compatible with free sublimation paper ink. In addition, DURA bright pigment inks are included, providing vibrant color on any surface. Using the C88 Plus Inkjet printer, you can easily switch from an inkjet to a sublimation printer by simply swapping the ink. Moreover, this budget-friendly sublimation printer automatically handles various types of media. Your productivity will triple thanks to its outstanding efficiency. This printer has been used by several professional photographers throughout their careers. For sublimation printing, it offers excellent color consistency. Number 3. Lexmark MC3224dwe Color Multifunction Laser Printer. Lexmark MC3224 is a low-cost laser printer that offers customizable printing options for small businesses. The security features of this printer protect data across the document, on the device, over the network, and on the cloud. It is small, lightweight, easily transportable, establishable, and movable. Lexmark's MC3224dwe is a capable multifunction laser printer tailored for low-volume printing and copying. The steel construction of the MC3224dwe provides stability and durability, and the image components are designed to last a lifetime. We selected this printer for its remarkably high resolution of 600 by 600 dpi, as well as its fast performance, which makes it one of the best sublimation printer for mugs printing. Moreover, it's simple and quick to set up. A test printout of the first page took 11 seconds in both color and black. The printer is capable of printing one-sided documents at a rate of 24 ppm and two-sided documents at a rate of 13 ppm. By default, the Lexmark MC3224dwe comes with two-sided printing, helping you save money by reducing paper consumption. Additionally, it features a 7.2 cm LCD touchscreen. Wireless setup is even more straightforward with Lexmark printers. Printing from mobile devices is simple thanks to standard Wi-Fi. There's also a USB that can be used to print, scan, and copy. Lexmark Mobile Print app, Mopria, AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print are all available for mobile printing.